Imagine waking up, stretching in bed, and starting your day with a smile, because while you were sleeping, your money was hard at work for you. You check your phone and see a fresh deposit in your account, not from your job, not from overtime, but simply for owning a piece of a great Canadian company. It feels almost magical, but it's very real. This is the power of dividend investing. Your money working for you around the clock, even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. It's about building true financial freedom, earning income without having to constantly trade your precious time for every dollar. Every dollar you invest becomes a tiny soldier going out into the world and bringing back more dollars, multiplying your wealth over time. The best part? You don't need to be wealthy or a financial expert to get started. Anyone can begin, no matter their background. By buying shares in solid, reliable companies, you become a part owner, and those companies share their profits with you, rewarding your trust. Over time, this steady stream of passive income can grow into a powerful wealth engine, compounding year after year. The ultimate goal: to stop trading your time for money and instead start owning your time, living life on your own terms. Dividend investing is a get-rich-slowly strategy. Patience and the magic of compounding do most of the heavy lifting for you. Remember, you're not just buying stocks, you're buying real businesses that pay you year after year simply for being an owner. This simple principle has quietly built fortunes for generations of Canadians, and today it's more accessible than ever before. Why not start your journey now? Dividends are simple: a portion of a company's profits paid to shareholders. They represent a tangible reward for investing in the company and believing in its potential. It's like a thank you for owning a piece of the business, acknowledging your role in its success. For example, if you own 100 shares of BCE and they pay 0.96 per share, you get 96 as. No paperwork, just cash in your account. This process is seamless and efficient, making it easy for investors to enjoy their earnings. Own shares in several companies, and you create multiple streams of passive income. This diversification can enhance your financial stability and growth potential. The best companies, dividend aristocrats, raise their dividends year after year, showcasing their commitment to rewarding shareholders consistently. A rising dividend signals a healthy, shareholder-friendly business. It reflects strong management and a robust financial position. With dividend investing, you get paid while you wait, regardless of stock price swings. This strategy offers peace of mind and financial security. It cushions you during downturns and provides steady, predictable income. This reliability is invaluable in uncertain economic times. It's a smart, two-pronged approach: potential growth and reliable cash flow. This balanced strategy can lead to long-term financial success and stability. Canada is a paradise for dividend investors. Our market is built on stable, mature industries: banks, utilities, and pipelines. The big six banks have paid dividends for over a century. Utilities like Fortis and Emera deliver steady income no matter the economy. Pipeline giants like Enbridge generate predictable cash flows on long-term contracts. These sectors form a rock-solid core for any dividend portfolio. Plus, Canada's TFSA and RRSP accounts let your dividends grow tax-free or tax-deferred. Use these accounts to keep every dollar working for you. It's a legal, powerful way to supercharge your returns. Ready to start your investing journey? Here's your simple 4-step plan to get going and build wealth over time. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. You can use platforms like Wealth Simple Trade or simply go with your Canadian bank's online investing platform. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and you'll be ready to buy your first investments. Step 2. Fund your account. Ideally, use a tax-free savings account or TFSA for tax-free growth on your investments. This means your money can grow faster and you won't pay taxes on your gains. Even if you only have $100 to start, that's enough. The most important thing is to take action and begin your investment journey, no matter how small. Step 3. Buy quality Canadian dividend stocks. These companies pay you regular dividends, which can help you build wealth steadily over time. Or, if you want instant diversification, consider a dividend-focused ETF. This way, you own a basket of dividend-paying companies with just one purchase. Step 4. Turn on the Dividend Reinvestment Plan or DRIP in your account settings. DRIP automatically reinvests your dividends to buy more shares, helping you harness the power of compounding without lifting a finger. This is the secret sauce. Your dividends buy more shares, which then earn even more dividends, creating a snowball effect. Over time, this cycle accelerates your portfolio's growth, making your money work harder for you. Set it, forget it, and let compounding work its magic in the background while you focus on your life. Don't overthink it. Just follow these steps. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see your investments grow. Remember, every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to start working for you. Start today and watch your wealth build over time. Picture yourself 10 or 20 years from now. You've invested regularly, reinvested dividends, and watched your income snowball. What started as a trickle is now paying for real-life expenses. This is the power of compounding. Slow at first, then exponential. Patience is key. Let your investments grow like a tree. Don't panic during downturns. Trust the process. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best is today. Open your account, invest, turn on DRIP, and become an investor. You're building a future where your money works for you. Your future self will thank you.